What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a double header for you guys today because we are unable to finish one project. I don't know how the order of these videos are coming out just yet, so we figured while we're already in the garage and wrenching, why not work on my 21 Road Glide, and I'll show you what I got here in a second. Boom! Memphis Shades. Since my hand grips crapped out, I figured I don't want to put heated hand grips back on and go through the hassle of trying to reroute wires and stuff. So I know everybody loves these things. They're the hand guards. So I figured I'd pick up a pair. I'm not a huge fan of the way they look per se on ape hangers. I do, however, kind of like the way they look on a traditional or like a T-bar setup, but I figured because we are getting in the fall weather here in eastern Pennsylvania, I don't need my hands freezing when I ride to work or ride in general because I like to prolong my riding season. So I figured these are pretty inexpensive compared to replacing heated hand grips. So figured why not give them a try. So let's get this unboxed. So boom, I went with the black to match my blacked out Clockworks windshield. So you got the hand guards, you got the brackets, some star washers, and then the instructions. All right, so at this point, I'm just gonna be taking these 7/16 screws out so I can mount the brackets onto the hand guards. So as you can see, I'm just taking these apart and trying to get the grommet installed according to the instructions. Now I'm just installing the bracket according to the instructions. All right, so I got the throttle side done. Now I'm just gonna repeat this process for the clutch side. All right, so now that I got these brackets installed, now we're gonna head over to the bike and take the mirrors off and throw them on. All right, so as you can see here at the bike, I have a towel laid out for protection because you know on my channel we like to use protection. That way if the nut or whatever falls off, it's not gonna fall back against your tank. So place that right on and drop the mirror right on and reinstall your nut. And the fun part's going to be readjusting my mirror to how I want it. All right, so you got to it was nice to have another pair of hands because you're going to have to hold the mirror where you want it and hold this to where you want it because you can adjust how close or how far away it is from the lever. So that way you don't like punch it every time you go to grab your clutch. So I might have to come back and readjust this, but I kind of have it placed kind of where I think I want it. So we're going to leave it at that for now. And with that being said, we're going to move right on to the other side. All right, so we got them both installed. Now, obviously, like I said, I'll have to sit on my bike and possibly adjust them accordingly to how I want them and make sure my mirrors are all good. That is the Memphis Shade handguard install, and that's what they look like on my 21 Road Glide. And like I said, they are all blacked out, so it matches my Clockworks windshield. That's how they look on my 12-inch factory 47 bars. Now, like I said earlier, for looks, they don't necessarily win over the category 10 of 10. But if they are functional and keep my hands from the cold wind in the fall and winter time or early spring, I would say it is well worth the investment. So with that being said, that is how you install the Memphis Shade handguards. And hopefully you guys like them or dislike them. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Like I said, they don't necessarily appeal to me because of the looks However, my heated hand grips crapped out, and I don't want my hands freezing in the wintertime or fall for that matter. So hopefully they do their job. Like I said, the people that run them rave by them and stand by them. So I'm going to test them out, and I'll let you guys know in the future how I like them. If this video was helpful for you guys, make sure to smash that like button, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell icon so that way you guys get notified when I post new videos like this. And also, real quick, I'll have the link to these down in the description if you are interested in them, but you're going to have to do some research on your own and figure out what exact part number you need for your bike, because they are tailored slightly differently for street glides, road glides, and so on and so forth. And also if your bike has a hydraulic clutch versus cable clutch. So like I said, I'll have the link for these specific ones for a 21 and newer road glide down in the description. But if you're looking for them for your bike, you're going to have to do a little bit of research on your own. But hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure to ride safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!